Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Shopify store must be live and your YouTube channel linked to the same Google account. Once done, enable YouTube Shopping in YouTube Studio and prepare product data. Next, export or confirm your product feed in Shopify by installing the Google Channel app or using an approved feed app. Make sure your Merchant Center account is ready and that product images and prices meet YouTube policy before proceeding to the integration. Now connect Shopify to YouTube through the Google channel. Install the app, sign into your Google account, and grant Shopify permission to manage Merchant Center. Once linked, choose the correct Merchant Center account and target country. This ensures prices and taxes display correctly. Then map Shopify product fields to Merchant Center, confirm GTIN or SKUs, and fix warnings like missing images or disallowed content. This step takes time because YouTube requires clean policy. Finish by requesting access to YouTube Shopping if your channel needs approval. Make sure monetization and channel eligibility requirements are met. Then enable shopping features in YouTube Studio, attach your Merchant Center product feed, and add product cards to videos or live streams. Publish and test links to confirm checkout lands on Shopify. If something breaks, first check Merchant Center policy errors, then verify feed sync timestamps and that your Google account permissions allow Shopify to update listings. Those are the most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.